Hello everyone, welcome to Bichia's channel. This video, I will explain how I solve the social network case using Power Query. In my previous video, I have shown how to solve the case using the text join formula. And this one, I've got a challenge from Excel wizard to solve it without using the text join, so I decided to use the Power Query. The idea of this one is, since we have received the information of the friends, so I will convert this information into the relational database of the friendship. I will create the database of friendship. It's called friendship database. First of all, the first step is the same. I will copy this sheet into the another one and change the picture here. The blue I will change to number 1 and the star I will change to number 3. And after I have changed, I will add the column name here and convert this table into and convert this range into a table, a data table. And after that, I will feed it into the Power Query. So let's see here. The first one, this one is from that table named table 2. It's just to get the data from that. And the first step is to unpivot other columns here and just to rename something. And the next step, after that, I will create another query to just join between the name and close friends. So just use the data friendship and filter only the number 3 here to get only close friends, and remove unused column and rename it to close friend's name. The next step is to find the friendship of these close friends. So this is the next one. So for this one, I use the merge. I merged 2 tables. So I have merged. The first one is the name and close friends here with a data friendship to find these close friends. Yeah. So the first step, we got this. And then I expand this one. So this one contains the friendship of this close friend. So after expand, it will expand out like this. So I will rename this column into friend of close friend and add a custom to check whether it is self. Self means the name is equal to the friend of close friend. I want to eliminate this one. So this custom column is just normal, just to check whether the name is equal to friend of close friend value. And after that, I will filter out. I will just filter the false value because I don't want the Aaron and Aaron here. Just that. Okay, and the next one, the close friends friendship 2, it's just the same as this one, but because I want to combine this table with the first one, with the data friendship. So I need to make the columns to have like 4 columns and the column name have to be same. So this one, the first, just choose the only 3 columns from the previous one. From this one, I choose only 3 columns here, which are the 3 columns I choose is the number, the name, and the friend of close friend. And the second step, I add the custom and add the friendship point. So the friendship point would be 0 because it's not either friend or close friend. It's just friend of close friend and not affect the friendship point. That's all. And I have renamed the columns here to friend name to have the same name as here. And then the next one, I will create the total friendship table. So this is very easy, just append 2 tables. One is the data friendship and the second one is data close friends friendship 2. That's all, just union everything. And then I will create 2 queries of the sum. The first one is the sum of friendship point. This one is easy. The data source is from data friendship here, and I will just sum this column. So we will get the data table that telling us who has how many friendship points. So easy. Data friendship. And then group here. So group by the name and some friendship point column. That's all. And the next one is the data sum of post scene. This one I will use the source from data total friendship, which is just now we union the friendship and the friends of close friend. And this one is a little bit tricky because here there are some duplication here. So the first step, I just remove unused columns, which is this column and this column. I will not use it, just remove it. And then I will group rows to deduplicate. Actually, I just don't know how to select this thing, so I just use this way. It's just very stupid way. Yeah. Okay, so this step is for select this thing. So just to group by name and friend name, just add some colors, whatever. So at this step, we already deduplicate the duplicated of friend names here. And okay, we don't use that count column, we just remove it. And okay, we will count everything again after deduplicated. So I will group by the name and count the rows, name it as a post scene count. That's all. So you get the data of who has many post scene count. Okay, this is enough to answer every question except the bonus number 3. The bonus number 3, we have to calculate a triangle, but actually it is quite easy using the database and join the table. So back to the first one, we already have the data friendship table. So to see the triangle, we just join 2 times and check whether the last name is equal to the first or not. That is the triangle. That's all. So what I have done is I created another query named data friend ring. The step is, the first step, I will use the data friendship and join with the data friendship itself. Yeah. So I use the friend name of the first table, join with the name column of the second table to get the friend of friend. Yeah, this one. So I got this, and I rename as a ring 2. This, see the renaming. The first one will be the ring 1 of this friend, and ring 2. Yeah, and this just ignore it, friendship point not used. Yeah, remove it. And yeah, just to more neater, just use a ring level 1 and ring level 2, and I will join it again. The next step is to join the current one with the data friendship again. So I have joined the ring level 2 with the name of the third data friendship table. This is the second time of joining. And we do the same, we just expand the friend name here and rename it as the ring level 3. And the last step is to add the custom column to check whether this is triangle. The condition is really simple. So it's just, if the name is equal to the ring level 3, the result would be 1. If not, it means it's triangle. If 0, it means it's not. So we got friend ring already. That's all. And after complete everything, so we load the data into this sheet here. So the table that we will use to answer, one is the data friendship. The second one is the total friendship, which is the friends union with the friend of close friends. The third one is the friend ring, this to calculate the triangle. And the last two is just a summary. It's so easy to make the to let the Power Query do the summary job, don't need to do the formula. That's all. So let's see the answer here, how I answer. The level 1, so I just use the count if the name from the data friendship table that equal to the name here. So this can answer how many friends this guy have. Just count it. The second one, this one is to find the name, the first name, and map it with this list. So this one I just filter. We can do like filter the data from data friendship. For example, this guy win. So I will filter the formula. What formula do is to filter win and sort the result here alphabetically and take the first one, which is Aaron, and just match the Aaron here. So it will return the number 1 accordingly. See the formula again. Filter, which the data friendship is equal to here, and sort it and take 1 is to get only the first row and match with the table name, with the name in the table. That's all for level 2. And for the level 3, how many friends do the following pairs of people have in common? So this one, we will filter the data. We use the data from the friend ring. So we will filter the friend. We can use this formula. We have to filter the ring level 1. The condition is either the name is equal to name 1 and and the ring level 2 must be equal to name level 2, and let's unique. For example, if this guy is Harley and Johnny, so we go to the friend ring table. We filter the first one as the Harley. And the ring level 2 is Johnny. And so we will get the name of 4 people here. So we'll have to, after we filter this way, we have to unique it and just count the rows. That's all. See the formula again. So filter, see the ring level 1 with these conditions, and unique it and count the rows. Answer. The next is the level 4. The level 4 is have to combine, so we will back to the data friendship table here, just a simple one. We filter the friend name and use a filter condition or it means the name is equal to name 1, or the plus is or the friend, the name is the first column here. The name is equal to the name 2, and then unique it. That's all for level 4. And for level 5, the level 5 formula is very simple because we already prepared the table sum of post scene. We can just look for the result from this table. Just like look up the number from the sum of post scene based on this name. That's all for level 5. Okay, we will go to the bonus questions. For the bonus questions, the first one is to see who has the maximum friendship points. So we can use this table, the sum of friendship points that we already prepared from the Power Query, and to get who has the maximum number. The alternative way is to filter it. The next one. Yeah, we get the name, Kara. And the second one, we can use the data from the sum of post scene. Same here, we can just filter it, filter the minimum number. And we got Rebecca. Yeah, I'll just use the formula is same. And for the triangle, we have to use the data from friend ring, and we sum this column, the east triangle. We sum it to count how many triangles and divide by 6. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment. Bye bye.